Hi everyone, this is Imran. Today in this video training, I'll be showing you how you can get Facebook app ID and secret key. If you would like to work with any Facebook related plugin in your website, you will need app ID and secret key. Today I was working on a plugin. While I was configuring Facebook part, it asked me the Facebook app ID and secret key. Then I thought to create this video. Well, I'll show you step by step from the beginning to the end. So if you follow this training, I hope you will successfully create an app ID and secret key. Well, the first step is to access developers.facebook.com link. I will provide this link in the video description. Once you have clicked on that link, you will see something like this. Okay, here you can see products, programs, docs, more, and get started. If you already have any account with developers.facebook.com platform, then you won't see it. You will see your account here. But I don't have any account, so I'll show you how you can get it. Just click on Get Started button to be registered with developer page. Okay, just click on Get Started. And here you can see my image and welcome to Facebook for developers. Create a Facebook for developer accounts. Your Facebook profile account and developer accounts are completely different now. To work with any Facebook app related development, you will have to register for developer account. Okay, so I'm going to click on next. And as I am a developer, so I'm gonna click this on. And here you can see welcome to Facebook for developers. But it might verify yourself. It might ask for prove that you are not a robot or something like any captcha, or it might ask your username password. But depending on the situation, I believe as a developer you can do that types of job. Okay, just click on create your first app. Here you can see create an app ID. What will be your purpose? Manage business integration, integrate third-party gaming app, for everything else. Okay, I'm gonna click on everything else. And here you can see create an app ID and app display name. Okay, the name of the app. I'm going to, what should I say? Name it as a themes code page on of my site. Themes code auth and contact email. Okay, this is the email address. Do you have a business manager account? No business manager account selected. That's all. Okay, I'm gonna click on this create app ID. Yes, I was talking about this earlier. It will check whether I'm not a robot or I'm a robot. I'm not a robot. Cards to irritating check. Here goes cards. Wish me I can pass in the first attempt. Sometimes I make mistake. I hope you do so. Here also another card. Here is card. How many cards, bro? Okay, verify it. Yeah, I could pass and hit submit. Here it is. Once you have successfully completed or filled your input in the forms, you will be sent here. And here is the dashboard of your app. And already I have got an app ID here. And it's in developer mode. It's not live. But in this step, I think it is step number 2. We will have to just configure our app ID and secret key. So just from the left vertical menu, click on settings. You will see basic and advanced setting. Click on basic. Here is the app ID and here goes secret key. It will be visible. It will be invisible until you click on show. And it will ask you password. I'm gonna put my password. submit, and here goes the app secret key. I'm not going to show you the full secret key. Okay, and here you can see the display name, add domain. I'm gonna search for my domain. Here is my domain name, app domain. Here it is, and here goes the contact, email, and privacy policy URL. It's optional, but you should add your privacy policy URL because Facebook wants these types of things. Here goes the privacy policy, copy link address, privacy policy, and terms and condition, terms of use. And here you will have to choose a category of your page, and business page, education, entertainment, lifestyle. According to your business, just select whatever you want, whatever you provide. Here it is, and app icon. Unfortunately, I could not add any icon, but let me search for it. Choose file, go to the download. Here is a logo. Sorry, go to download, Tarts graphics, Tarts image, logo. Okay, the dimension should be 1024 by 1024. It's a large image. I couldn't add it right now. I'm sorry for that, but I'm almost done. Okay, just click here, hit save changes. Okay, it's saved. Now our app is in development mode. To use our app, we will have to click on this switch. Just click on it and switch the mode. Now it's live. Okay, so friends, I think we are almost done. What I did, I went to developers.facebook.com page and I just created an account with this developer account, and just I entered some basic information of my app name and something else, contact email address and app domain and privacy policy URL, terms of service URL, and clicked on save changes. And finally, I just switched the mode to live. Now you can use this app ID and use this secret key in your website. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you face any issue, you don't forget to leave a comment in the video description. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.